Here we go. All right. Leaking out fast. All right. Gotta do the last one one-handed. You always have to go full Chuck Norris. Ah, hung up. Okay. Okay, one shot left. All right, there we go. Let's walk up here and kind of take a look at it. Of course, you can see it is clear, unloaded. I'm gonna leave the mag in it just because it looks cooler that way. So it looks like, well, it's hard, you know, you never know what kind of penetration you get on these because, of course, a lot of these pass through after the water level had already dropped. But, you know, you can see a lot of bullets in there, so yeah, I'd say it probably stopped a lot of them. So, yeah, pretty cool. This is a Group Industries mini